Welcome! Today we're about to embark on a thrifting adventure that's all about creativity, fun, and making the most of what you have. Whether you're a seasoned thrifter or brand new to the world of secondhand shopping, there's something magical about stepping into a charity shop with a sense of possibility. Our challenge? We've got just £50 in our pocket, and we're going to see how far it can take us. It's not just about saving money, it's about discovering value in unexpected places and having a blast along the way. Imagine walking into a room that's been completely transformed, all thanks to a handful of thrifted treasures. With a little vision and some clever choices, you can create a space that feels fresh, inviting, and totally unique without breaking the bank. That's the real magic of charity shops. Every shelf is packed with hidden gems, quirky finds, and one-of-a-kind pieces just waiting for a new home. It's a treasure hunt where you never know what you'll discover, and every item has its own story to tell. Each piece you pick up has lived a life before, and now you get to imagine how it fits into your story. Maybe it's a vintage lamp, a funky vase, or a cozy armchair. Whatever it is, you're giving it a second chance. Our mission today is simple: to prove that you don't need a fortune to create a home that's stylish, comfortable, and full of personality. With a bit of effort and a keen eye, you can turn second-hand finds into showstoppers. All it takes is a spark of imagination, a dash of creativity, and the willingness to see potential where others might not. Sometimes, the best pieces are the ones you transform yourself. We'll be on the lookout for those diamonds in the rough. Items we can clean up, paint, or repurpose into something truly special. These are the pieces that will have your friends asking, "Where did you find that?" But before we dive in, let's talk strategy. Thrifting is all about having a plan, knowing what you need, setting a budget, and keeping an open mind for unexpected surprises. Thrift shops can be a bit overwhelming at first, with shelves packed full of everything imaginable. But with a little patience and a sharp eye, you'll spot the best bargains and avoid the duds. So, are you ready to rummage and hunt for those amazing finds? Let's see what treasures we can uncover to make your home beautiful, unique, and budget-friendly. Let's get started. Time for my thrifting golden rules. Whether you're a seasoned thrifter or just starting out, knowing what to look for can make all the difference between a successful haul and a wasted trip. Let's dive into the must-grab items that never disappoint. First, always check for solid wood. Tables, frames, shelves. Solid wood pieces are the backbone of quality home decor, and you'll often find them hiding among the particle board and laminate options. If it's heavy and sturdy, it's a winner. Give it a lift, knock on it, and feel for that solid construction. These pieces are built to last for decades, not just a few years. Real wood lasts, and even if it's scratched or ugly, you can sand and paint it into something new. Don't be put off by surface damage. Think of it as a blank canvas for your creativity. Next, mirrors. Mirrors are a thrifter's secret weapon. They make rooms feel bigger and brighter, and thrift shops are full of unique frames you won't find anywhere else. Look for interesting shapes and details. Don't worry about dated finishes. A quick spray paint can work wonders. With just a little effort, you can transform a tired old mirror into a statement piece that fits your style perfectly. Third, ceramics and glass. Look for vases, bowls, or pottery with interesting shapes. Unique silhouettes and textures are what set thrifted ceramics apart from mass-produced pieces. Color doesn't matter. Paint can fix anything. Don't pass up a piece just because it's the wrong shade. Imagine it in a color that matches your space. Textured spray paint can turn a cheap vase into a designer piece. Experiment with finishes, matte, glossy, or even stone effect, to create high-end looks on a budget. Finally, lamps. Lamp bases are everywhere and easy to update. Don't overlook them just because the shade is outdated or missing. Ignore ugly shades. Just check the wiring is safe. A quick test or a simple rewiring can make an old lamp good as new, and you'll save a fortune compared to buying retail. Paint the base, add a new shade, and you've got a custom lamp for a fraction of the price. Mix and match bases and shades for a look that's totally your own. These 4 categories, wood, mirrors, ceramics, lamps, are your best bets for stylish, affordable finds. They're versatile, easy to update, and always in demand. Stick to these, and you'll always come home with treasures. Your home will feel more personal, and you'll have stories behind every piece. Ready to hunt? Let's go! The thrill of the search is half the fun, and you never know what gems you'll uncover. The best finds are waiting, so grab a cart, keep your eyes open, and happy thrifting. Let's talk solid wood, my top thrifting obsession. Unlike flimsy particle board, real wood is built to last and can be endlessly transformed. That battered old table? Sand it, paint it, and it's brand new. When shopping, feel the weight. Heavy means solid. Look for real wood grain, not plastic veneer. Don't be put off by scratches or ugly varnish. Those are easy fixes. I once found a 3-pound wooden stool, painted it sage green, and now it's a bathroom staple. Solid wood is sustainable, customizable, and can change with your style. You're rescuing quality furniture and saving money. Always check the furniture section first. Look past the surface and see the potential. A solid wood piece is a forever friend. It's the ultimate upcycle. Let's find your next classic. Mirrors are magic for any room, especially small ones. A large mirror instantly doubles the sense of space and bounces light around. Thrift shops are packed with mirrors in unique frames. Wood, metal, even vintage sunbursts. Ignore dated colors. Focus on shape and sturdiness. Check for cracks, but a little age adds charm. For a designer look, spray paint the frame in a bold or classic color. Try creating a gallery wall with mismatched mirrors, all painted to match your decor. It's an easy, affordable way to make a big impact. Mirrors add style, light, and personality, without breaking the bank. Grab 1 or 3 on your next trip. Your room will thank you. Now for the fun part, vases, pots, and glassware. These are the jewelry of a room, adding color and texture for just £1 or £2. Focus on shape and texture, not color. Paint can transform anything. Mix heights and styles for a curated look. Try stone effect spray paint or textured DIY paint for a high-end finish. Use vases for flowers, pots for utensils, jars for bathroom storage. The options are endless. Quick, satisfying projects like these turn cheap finds into stylish accessories. It's all about seeing potential in the ordinary. Let your creativity run wild. Lighting sets the mood, and thrifted lamps are a budget-friendly way to upgrade. Ignore ugly shades. Focus on the base's shape and material. Ceramic, wood, or metal bases are easy to paint or wrap for a custom look. Always check the wiring for safety. Most shops test their electricals. If it works, clean it up and get creative. Paint, wrap, or embellish. Add a simple new shade, and you've got a unique lamp for just a few pounds. Lamps are quick to transform and make a huge difference. Don't overlook the electrical section. Your perfect lamp is waiting to be rescued. Let's light up your space. Not everything is worth rescuing. Avoid upholstered items. They can hide nasties and stubborn smells. Always do the sniff test on fabric and wood. Strong odors are hard to remove. Skip anything with major structural damage or complicated repairs. Focus on sturdy, easy-to-clean pieces for quick, rewarding projects. The goal: fun, simple makeovers, not frustrating fixer-uppers. The excitement is real. Let's see what our £50 bought us on this thrifting adventure. There's something magical about the thrill of the hunt, never knowing what treasures you'll uncover. Spread out on the table, we have a solid pine bedside table, a charming vintage mirror, 3 elegant glass vases, and a ceramic lamp base, all for just £26. It's amazing how much value you can find when you look beyond the surface. With the rest of our budget, we picked up chalk paint, spray paint, and a few essential supplies. Even after adding these, we're still comfortably under budget. proving that style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. First up, we sand and paint the bedside table. With just a bit of effort, it's instantly modernized, fresh, clean, and ready for a new life in your home. Next, we spray the mirror frame a matte black, giving it a sleek, contemporary update that would look right at home in any designer catalog. The ceramic lamp vase gets a fresh coat of paint to match our new color scheme, and we top it off with a brand new shade. Suddenly, it's a statement piece. For the vases, a quick spray with stone effect paint transforms them into high-end textured decor that looks far more expensive than it actually is. In just one afternoon, you've created a stylish, coordinated corner for your home, one that feels curated and personal, not cookie-cutter. 4 unique pieces, each with its own story, all transformed for less than £50. The before and after is truly remarkable. This is the power of thrifting and creativity, turning overlooked items into something beautiful and meaningful. You've saved money, rescued quality items from being discarded, and made your space truly yours. Every piece now reflects your style and effort. Who knew a little rummaging and a dash of imagination could go so far? The possibilities are endless when you're open to a bit of DIY magic. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and start your own transformation? Your next great find could be just around the corner. Inspired. Decorating with thrift finds is creative, personal, and planet-friendly. Start small, grab a vase or frame for £1, give it a makeover, and see how it feels. Join the online upcycling community for ideas and support. Remember, look for solid wood, mirrors, ceramics, and lamp bases, and always do the sniff test. Have fun, experiment, and be proud of your creations. You're saving money, reducing waste, and building a home full of stories. Take the £50 challenge and share your finds. Happy thrifting! I can't wait to see what you discover.